Hello, my name is Juan Camilo Giraldo and today we'll talk about the car. What do you think is the greatest invention? Why? Owning your own car influences almost every aspect of life, work life, family life, and even social life. It makes travel easier and allows people to access their destination faster, with in turn influencing their lifestyle. How was invented? Cars come into the global use during the 20th century and developed economies depend of them. The years 1886 is regarded as the birth year of the modern car when German inventor Carl Benz patent his Benz patent motor wagon. Car became widely available in the early 20th century on of the first cars accessible to the masses was the 1908 Model T, an American car manufactured by the Ford Motor Company. Car were rapidly adopted is the in the USA, where they replaced animal draw carriage and carts, but took much longer to be accepted in Western Europe and other parts of the world. To build a car, you need the following steps: is six. The first is components. The automobile assembly plants only the final bits. In the process of manufacture an automobile for is the here that the components supplied by more than 400 outside suppliers, including company owners, parts suppliers, and brought together for assembly, usually by truck or railroad. Those parts that will be used in the chassis are delivery delivered to one area, while those that will comprise the body are unloaded at another. The second is chassis. The typical car or truck is considered from the ground up, um, on out the frame for the base on with the body reset rests, and from with all subsect assembly components below. The frame is placed on the assembly line and completes to the conveyor to prevent shifting as it moves down the line. From here, the automobile frame moves to a component assembling area where complete front and with suspension, gas tanks with axle and drive shafts, gearboxes, steering bags, components, wheel drums, braking system are sequentially installed. The tree is body. Generally, the floor paint in the largest body components with a multitude of panels and plates will subsequently be either welded or bolted as it moves down the assembly lines, held in place by clamping fixtures. The shell of the vehicle is built. First, the left and right quarter panels are robotically designed for pre-started shipping containers and placed on the floor pan, where they are established with position fixtures and welded. The fourth is paint. Prior to painting, the body must pass through a rigorous expansion process. The body in white operation. The shell of the vehicle process through a briefly white room where it is fully wiped down by usual impression using cloths soaked in high lights oil. Under the lights, this oil allowed inspection to see any defects in the shell metal body panels, the dents, and any other defects are repainted right on the line by skilled body repairman. After the shell has been fully inspected and repaired, the assembly convention carries it through a cleaning station where it is immersed and cleaned of residual oil, dirt, and contaminants. 5 is interior assembly. The painted shell process through the interior assembly are where workers assembly all of the instrument and wiring system, dash panel, interior lights, sheet, seats, doors, and trim panels. Had diners, radio, speakers, all glass, except the automobile windshield, stereo column, and wheel. Bodies, wheel strip, vinyl tops, brakes, and gas pedals, carpetings, and front unread bumpers fascias. The six is made. The chassis assembly conveyor and the body shell conveyor meet at this stage of production. As the chassis passes the body conveyor, the shell is passes the body conveyor. The shell is robotically lifted from its convention fixture and placed on the car frame. Assembly worked some at the ground level and some in work pits beneath the conveyor. Bolt the car body to the frame. Once they make it takes place, the automobile process down the line to receive final trim components, battery, tires, antifreeze, and gasoline. This is the all for the cars, the history, and other things.